Good morning, everybody. Stephen from Break Free Homestead. Today, we're doing a turkey update. They're just about 2 weeks old now and causing a bunch of ruckus, jumping out of the brooder. They're looking pretty big compared to when we got them. 2 weeks have gone by. Obviously they're turkeys and not chickens, so they're getting pretty big. But they're jumping a good amount. This is 2 feet tall, and they're jumping up here. 3 of them were out of it, or 2 of them were out last night. I put them back in. An hour later, 3 of them are back out. So we're definitely having to deal with that. Hopefully we'll get something built for them soon outside. It's a little house. It's gonna be nice to have these guys on the homestead. Have them walk around. I'm sure Nova will love it. Let's get its wings out. But since they're getting out, I don't have a top for this brooder. So what we're going to do is we're going to improvise, and we just have some 1/8 inch plywood slats that I'm just going to put on top here, and it's going to prevent them from jumping out. So it should fix the problem. It still gives airflow into there, but they shouldn't be jumping out anymore. If they get through that, I'm going to be highly surprised. And then we got some other crazy turkey shenanigans going on. But I'll keep you guys updated on how the turkeys are coming.